I'm gonna help you guys out, but you're gonna go on YouTube. So guess who gets to do the filming?
Me.
Just point that at me at any time. Okay, you're gonna turn the wheel. Turn the wheel about a quarter turn that way. You're gonna slam on the accelerator, and we're all gonna push you out. Gas now.
Go, Brooklyn.
All right, now turn the wheel. The other way, then reverse.
There she goes. Oh. This dude is smart.
Now pull out.
There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Ha ha! Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. It's called the NOMOC experience. NOMOC. Thanks.
I never would have thought of that.
Hey, done it too many times.
Good job, man.
Thanks. Well, that's always fun here in Ohio. When you see a young pup sitting there spinning in the snow, we got her out. Traction control right here. Off. Off. Right. Look at the mirror. Yeah, you're off now. Wheel the other way, reverse. All right. Thank you, officer, for directing traffic. Woo! What is it with front-wheel drive drivers? We'll see you in the next one. Well, we are at Bass Pro Shops right now. It is 20 degrees and it's a blizzard out here. We got probably 6 inches yesterday. We're probably gonna get another 4 inches today. So I got a travel announcement. I am heading south again to meet up with AWP. I got about a 17-hour, 18-hour drive, and we are gonna be with them for probably 5 days. It is an absolute blizzard out here. As soon as I wake up, we're hitting the road and we're heading to see Adventures with Purpose, and we're going to assist them in the upcoming projects. So with that being said, guys, we'll see you on the road. Woo! Woo! So for now, let's have Barrett say hello. Let's have Bella say hello, and we'll see you on the next one.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you